Let's talk about constructivism and constructive learning theories. So what is constructivism and why does it matter to us? Constructivist and social learning theories have direct application to education and are about the idea that people construct knowledge and meaning from experiences. It posits that learning is an active, constructive process, making the learner an information constructor. Important to this theory is that new information is linked to prior knowledge, and so mental representations are subjective. Now I'm going to walk you through 4 key theories belonging to constructivism, each which has direct application to alt digital. Communities of practice were developed by Jean Lave and Etienne Wenger and refers to a process of social learning which occurs when people who have a common interest in a subject or area collaborate over an extended period of time. They share ideas and strategies and determine solutions together. There are 3 required components of COP. A domain, which is a shared interest. There needs to be a community, and there needs to be practice, meaning it's not just an interest group, but rather a collaboration of practitioners. Social development theory was developed by Lev Vygotsky and posits that social learning comes before development, and that consciousness and cognition should be seen as an end product of socialization and social behavior. While this theory may lend itself more to child development, there are some interesting overlaps that we will explore for alt digital training. For now, let's look at the 3 major themes to Vygotsky's theory which play a vital role in learning. Social interaction, which he believed, the more knowledgeable other, which is the teacher or trainer, who can help build on existing knowledge, and the zone of proximal development, which is the distance between the student's ability to perform a task under adult guidance and the student's ability to solve the problem independently. Discovery learning is a theory developed by Jerome Bruner and posits that it's best for learners to discover facts and relationships for themselves. It's an inquiry-based, constructivist learning theory that takes place in problem-solving situations where the learner draws on his or her own past experiences and existing knowledge to discover facts and relationships and new truths to be learned. Models that are based upon discovery learning include guided discovery, problem-based learning, and simulation-based learning. Finally, anchored instruction was developed by John D. Bransford and is a theory that touches on both cognition and social constructivism. Anchored instruction involves the use of an anchor, which is a material or piece of media, most often a video, to create a shared experience among learners and a beginning point for further learning on a topic. The anchor video should support a few instructional objectives. It should be short enough to showcase an example, engaging enough so students will want to watch it repeatedly, and understandable by students with a variety of background knowledges on a topic. Here, we'll list several ways that constructivist learning can be applied to the classroom in general, after which we'll discuss specifically how alt digital will apply these theories to our learning environment. Constructivism has 4 core applications to digital teaching, including reciprocal teaching, where the student becomes the teacher and the teacher becomes the student. Situated learning allows for learning to take place within the environment the learner is learning about. Finally, anchored instruction means we can use interesting topics, particularly in social media learning, and use video content to highlight these points.